Hello, I'm Johnny J. Odell Jr. Welcome to the Custom Metadata video. We're going to be covering custom metadata. You can customize your post and page meta quickly and easily. Be it a holiday greeting, a news event, or product promotion, you can turn your metadata box into a hotline to communicate with your visitors. And when you connect with visitors, other website owners will connect with you. That's link bait, the most effective way to get backlinks to your pages. Let's select the 2014 theme. The standard 2014 theme metadata. Let's inspect the element. The 2014 theme uses entry meta class. WP-ADMR Pro Plus has the entry meta class built right in. Save changes. Refresh. Check that the metadata is hidden. The plugin has grabbed the div tags. Now we can create custom metadata. Let's add an author phrase, an icon. We're going to choose the helmet icon. Notice that the image is 48 by 48. No matter what the size of your image, WP-ADMR Pro Plus will display the correct size. Let's add a category. Insert a bar into the text field. Category icon. Let's add the comments. Insert a bar into the text field. Let's add a comments icon. To demonstrate that you can use any image as an icon, we're going to use the quad JPEG. Its dimensions are 533 by 533. That's a fairly large image. Any image will work as long as it's square. That way there's no distortions. Insert full size. And a preview of the quad icon appears. The custom metadata is instantly visible on the front end. In this case, the custom metadata has wrapped around. The 2014 theme has an exceptionally narrow content to area. If your metadata is too long, it will simply wrap around. Simply adjust it to the width. Let's remove the category. The metadata fits right into the metadata box. As you can see, the quad image, 533 by 533, is wonderfully displayed as an icon. Any large JPEG, as long as it's square, will work as an icon. Let's switch up the icon. We're going to add a flame in front of the category. The flame icon is 16 by 16 pixels. Rough and Ready Courses by James Smith in the featured category. By simply changing the class in WP-ADMR Pro Plus, the plugin will no longer grab the div, and the default meta will be displayed. Let's match the default display with a few icons. And it instantly appears on the front end. There is an issue by which the div classes are handled by certain themes. It's worth mentioning. Here we have the Stargazer theme, and we also have the Spring Song theme. Both have the same issue. Let's inspect the element. And by inspecting the element, we can see that the class is entry bylined and front secondary. And the browser displays a customary dot notation, div.entryByline.frontSecondary. Copy and paste into Notepad. Replace the space with a period. And plug into WP-ADMR Pro Plus. Let's confirm that we've grabbed the div by hiding the metadata. And when we refresh, we see that the metadata is still there. In this particular case, let's go to the source code, look for one of the keywords, James Smith, because we know James Smith is in the metadata. If we look at the div class, we see that the entry byline is only being used in the code. Let's go back. Let's enter entry byline only, save our changes. And sure enough, the metadata disappears. This anomaly does appear in some of the themes, and it's tricky enough that it's worth mentioning here. Let's search for some new icons. Let's go to Icon Archive. Icon Archive is a great resource. Let's choose this heart. As you see, the heart image is square. It's a larger image. Put in some custom meta. Let's add the heart. Go to the media library. Upload from computer. And as you can see, the heart's 256 by 256, and we're going to insert it into the post. The heart is a simple enough image that it appears wonderfully as an icon. Let's place a bar for the comments phrase. And let's look for another free icon. I like this little guy with the glasses. And let's upload him to the media library. We're going to be using full size 256 by 256. And the images wonderfully appear as icons. As you can see, any image format will work with WP-ADMR Pro Plus. Size really doesn't matter. Just ensure that your images are square. That way there's no distortion when they're sized by the plugin and placed into the metadata. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you at our next video, Hiding Metadata.